How to change Snapchat camera ratio. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change camera ratio on Snapchat. After you open up your phone now, go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat app now, go to this. After you go to your profile like this now, go to settings. If you come to the settings now, scroll all the way to down. If you scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, there is no option. If you don't come to this, as you can see now, lenses. So under this lenses, here is what's supposed to get the camera ratio for your Snapchat, but there's no option for camera ratio on Snapchat. It is only allowed on Snapchat to record a video that's just a like standing video. If you want to record like a video for YouTube or for like any social media that has like for YouTube video using your Snapchat camera, you can just use your phone like this. You can just use your phone like this and record the video. After you finish recording the video, from there you can download the video on your phone and upload to YouTube. This is the only way you can change the camera ratio on your Snapchat. You can just like rotate your phone to like this and record the video. After you finish recording the video like this, then you can save the video to your phone, or you can just record your video like standing like this. This is the only way you can change the camera ratio on Snapchat. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.